So guys, let's create a new project. Tap on top left button, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our main project. Make sure the video clip is not selected. Look for aspect ratio. Select 16:9 for horizontal or landscape mode. Now for the blur background, select background, blur. Select the blur intensity according to your liking. Back to the main timeline. Select the video clip, pinch out to zoom in, cover the full screen. Now just export the video and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.